darkness, a battlefield, who knows? The soldier crawls ahead, for behind him someone goes. Oh, heaven pounding is his heartbeat. He whispers words of prayer. It seems that all his life in a flash may disappear. Wait, the crack of dawn as it greets the weary trooper. Now his comrades he can see, reunited all for victory. And there beneath the sun, in a moment he has conquered. All his fear just slipped away, like the night so swiftly turned to day. Trembling in the darkness, praying for the light. It seems it may never come at the darkest of the night. Oh yes, this dullness, it surrounds us, a battlefield, who knows? We slowly inch ahead, we believe it's really close. Wait, the crack of dawn, bright horizon, soon the sunshine. Yes, Moshiach's on his way. All the grief, the sorrow slipped away. The past is but a dream. In Yerushalayim, the Beis Hamikdash. Yes, this goal is slipped away, like the night so swiftly turned to day. Celebration, exaltation, young and old, dancing everywhere. We believed it all, heaven standing tall, eternal paradise, euphoria. The past is but a dream. In Yerushalayim, Beis Hamikdash. Yes, this goal is slipped away, like the night so swiftly turned to day. Pain so long